Get paid to read emails with the sources that I'll share with you in today's video. They work for absolutely free and also worldwide. If you're interested, make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial so you can learn how to set them up properly. Just before we get to the video, make sure to just subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get updated whenever I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, just give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's start with this video so I can show you everything. First of all, I want to show you payment proofs of the first platform that I'm going to share with you. You're going to notice people from all around the world like Algeria, Chad, Argentina, Morocco, Brazil, Turkey and so on getting paid again and again with their preferred payment method, which in this case it's Payeer. As you can see, they are making like a couple of cents here and there, but I'm going to show you how to maximize your results and make even more money, so just stay tuned for that. So the name of this website is Genie and it's over at clicksgenie.com. As you can see, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you're going to get paid to read emails. So just scroll down to see some of the features that this platform offers. It's very easy to use and also with a friendly interface. You're going to have multiple earning options. So besides just getting paid by reading emails, you can even get paid by inviting other people over here. You're going to get multiple levels commission and also 5 levels and up to 320%, which is pretty crazy. It is safe and secure and also transparent. You're going to see your dashboard and track all of your earnings, and also super fast because Genie site loads in less than 1 second. So the payments are instant and you're going to get paid every time you reach the minimum payout, which is just 1 cent, which is pretty awesome actually. And you're going to get paid through Bitcoin, so even cryptocurrency is available, but also perfect money, as you can notice. But people are getting paid even through Payeer, just like I showed you before. So once you create your account, you'll be able to see also the other payment options. As we saw before, it is 100% safe and secure. You can even check out some stats over here, and in order to go over to the payment proof section, you're going to just click on proofs here and it's going to redirect you over to the page that I showed you at the beginning of this video. So in order to get started with Genie, all you need to do is to click on the register button here. As you can see, it's going to take you only 30 seconds and also it is available for everyone. Just like I said before, this works for anyone all around the world. Just click on the register button right now and it's going to redirect you over to this page where you need to put a username, an email address, a password, confirm the password, leave the referral box empty because you haven't been referred by anyone, and then complete this captcha, agree to the terms of service and privacy notice and click on the register button. They also will send you an email so you can verify your account, and after that you'll be able to log into your brand new account and get access to your own dashboard. So this was the first platform for today. Let me proceed to the second one, which is over at valutic.com. Even with Valutic, you're going to earn money by reading emails wherever you are in the world and also from your PC, tablet or mobile phone. They pay you for every email that you read and also instantly. The minimum payout is only 2 cents, so once you read 2 cents in your account, you'll be able to cash out. They also offer you a referral program so you can maximize your results and make money in passive income, and they offer you up to 6 levels, and also they pay you $1 for every referral when your referral earns $1, which is pretty awesome. So down here you have the payment proof section, so you can even check out the payment proofs of Valutic. You're also going to notice people from all around the world getting paid through their preferred payment method. And also you can click on the register button in the upper right corner in order to get started and go through the registration process. You'll be able to put your username over here, an email address, a password, confirm the password, leave the referral box empty, agree and accept the terms of service and privacy notice and click on the register button. Even Valutic is going to send you an email, so even check out the spam box because you can find like an email from Valutic where you need to activate your your account. So with that said, I'm going to proceed with the next platform, which is going also to be the last, and I hope that you are liking this video till now. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World for more videos like this one. So let's proceed to the third and last platform for today, which is called Paid to Read Email. This is over at paid-to-read-email.com. You can also go over to Google, just write paid to read email in order to find and open up this website. So as you can guess from the name, you're going to get paid by just reading emails. You can sign up for absolutely free over here by putting your gender, then your first name, primary email, password, confirm the password, and click on the sign up button. Down here, you're going to see some features that they offer, so you can earn cash with paid to read email. They offer you just 3 simple steps in order to get started. You're going to sign up just like I showed you before. You're going to receive those emails, read them, open them up, and then you're going to get paid. And they pay you actually through PayPal. As you can see, I'm over at their FAQ section. You can just click if you want to over here to read also some other questions as well. So as you can see, they pay you through PayPal, so just be sure to provide your valid PayPal email in your profile once you sign up for absolutely free. So you're going to see here that you can receive daily paid emails, so you can never run out of emails, and it's pretty awesome actually. You can also get paid within 24 hours once you reach $15 in your account, which is the payout limit. And also you're going to see that you can even earn $3 sign up bonus if you just create your account right now. They also offer you 2 other ways to get paid. You can refer your friends, just like the two previous platforms offered you. You can go over to make money online forums or groups to find people that want to make money online with some websites, and you can refer them over to the 3 platforms that I showed you today, so they can make money by just reading emails, and you're going to get paid by doing that, and most importantly in passive income. You can also take daily paid surveys, so they do offer you some surveys in order for you to get paid from 40 cents up to $1.20 for every completed survey. This was the third platform for today and also the last one. As you can see, this is a legit platform because they have been around since 2005, and it shows that it is a legit one because most of the scam websites tend to disappear after a short period of time actually. So you can check it out over at Paid to Read Email. So with that said, guys, this was the last platform for today. I highly recommend that you use all of them in order to maximize your results, or you can just use one of them, the one that you like the most. So just let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite one. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, because I'm going to get you notified whenever I upload brand new strategies just like this one on how to make money online. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you on another tutorial.